Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this option. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll and find display and brightness, and then and then let's scroll and find the icon. So before we will customize it, we can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. So we can change the intensity of that feature. Just tap on the icon, and here we've got the switcher. So by going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. We can also custom the schedule. So right now we've got this off option, which means that this option is manual. We can custom it by choosing the start time and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is the whole customization of the icon mode, and if you want to, you can have much faster access to this option. So simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to find the eye comfort icon or eye care. It is right here, so let's tap on it and it will be immediately applied. You can tap on it again to turn it off. If you cannot find the eye care here, no worries, just tap on this add option and the eye care should appear somewhere here. Then tap on the plus icon and it will be applied to this first section. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.